In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for D&D, a step-by-step guide. We'll start by clearing out any lingering baggage from past games so your new world doesn't inherit old lore or house rules. Head to the bottom left of your screen and click your profile picture. Open settings, choose personalization, then manage memories. Quickly remove old campaign facts, retired NPCs, and abandoned rules. This resets the creative slate, so when you ask for locations, monsters, or character ideas, you're drawing from fresh inputs instead of ghosts from previous threads. Think of it like wiping the whiteboard before a brand new session prep. Next, choose the right processing tier for the job. Use the instant tier when you need fast, in-session improvisation. A tavern menu on the fly, merchant names, quick room dressing, or minor NPC quirks in milliseconds. When you're designing complex combat encounters, balancing homebrew stat blocks, writing multi-chapter mysteries, or cross-referencing mechanics from the updated core rulebooks, switch to the thinking tier. That deeper pass buys you better logic, more consistent numbers, and fewer contradictions across long-form prep. Now prime the model with a strong tabletop role. Avoid a flat prompt like make a D&D adventure because you'll get cliches. Instead, use Shift plus Enter to format a clear brief. For example, act as an elite dungeon master, world builder, and balance designer aligned with the 2024 and 2026 rule updates. Ask the model to start by posing 3 targeted questions, one at a time, about party level and size, campaign tone, and priority mechanics. Then, answer those questions carefully. Your precision here directly shapes the quality of the adventure. Once the model has your variables, move your structure into a clean workspace. Type Canvas. Create a comprehensive campaign session prep brief based on our data. Organize the roadmap into a table with location or room name, box text, encounter or monster grouping, skill check DC triggers, and hidden secrets or loot. Your window will split with prompts on the left and a tidy adventure ledger on the right. With your prep in the canvas, make fast targeted edits. Highlight a row or monster block, click the small comment bubble, and issue precise changes like adjusting a boss's multi-attack, attack bonus to +7, and adding a reaction to reposition without provoking opportunity attacks. For richer read-alouds, use the tone slider in the bottom right and push it toward creative or descriptive. Before game night, verify rules and export. In the left conversation window, open web search via the globe icon and confirm specifics like the exact 2024 glossary for the dazed condition and its action economy effects. When everything checks out, click export in the Canvas header and download your prep as a Word document, Markdown file, or PDF. That is all. Thank you for watching and see you guys on the next one.